On the first day of the NIT tournament, there was a triple header in the afternoon. It was a Saturday afternoon, I believe it was March 20th, and Providence was playing the second game of that triple header that day. And Vin Cuddy, who was our longtime sports information director here at Providence College, had made arrangements with the Garden to allow our group to come on the floor after the first game was over and before the teams took the floor for the second game. And so there we were, our last few dribbles after almost 200 miles of dribbling from Providence to New York. And so we get a tremendous ovation. I think there were about 17,000 people in the Garden, and my recollection is we did get a standing ovation. And that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. We proceeded to get to have our own little layup line, and I think we calculated afterwards that we shot about 29% as a group. After all that time on the road and the elation and of the whole trip, and realizing that our journey has been completed and that we did something that was really very, very special and had just a tremendous bonding experience.